Our website can be a good resource if you're hungry and you want to see where our Iowa ingredient chefs are cooking right now.
Yeah, so
Let's
oh,
get
that
to know
looks
a little
great.
bit
Yeah.
more about one of those chefs, a
Awesome.
native Iowan who has inspired us for several years here
We
in the
just want to
studio
cook these
kitchen.
until it's
We got everything.
all right.
Katie, you're excellent. Good job.
My name is Katie Porter, and I became a chef just for the love of food, I think. You know, growing up, family get-togethers, and everybody was centered around food and in the kitchen and helping out. And then I actually was going to school for dietetics, and I took a food prep class and a chemistry class, and I thought, I am going to be a chef. I'm going to go to culinary school. I loved the food prep class, and so that was kind of the start of my journey. So I grew up in Mount Ayr, Iowa, in southwest Iowa, in a small town. And the thing that I remember, about growing up is all family events were all gathered around food and all of us eating together. So in the kitchen and, my grandma cooking, she had a garden, and so just getting stuff out of the garden. And Mount Ayr is a Scottish town, and we used to have this weekend called Ayr Days, and they had a Scottish tea, and my mom was in charge of that for a few years. And so we would, making stuff for the tea at home and rolling these grapes and Roquefort cheese and walnuts. And I just remember that so distinctly, just rolling. And then we re-rolled hundreds of grapes for the tea. But so just, growing up and always being around food, and it just got me, really interested. When I'm cooking for people, it's really exciting. I don't know, I love the idea of cooking good food for people that really enjoy it and get excited about it. When new vegetables come into the kitchen or we're out the farm and we see, like the kohlrabi is just about ready to be harvested. We do a little happy dance, and it's just, who knew that, vegetables and cooking is so exciting, and it's just, everybody loves to eat, and I love to be able to present people with some really good food and just honor the people that raise the meats and raise the vegetables and the dairy, and it's just, I don't know, it just means a lot. It's just great. It's a good feeling.